Alright, so one more quick tip. So yesterday I made a video and released it saying that Linux user has to be very organized because there are several reasons for that, because mostly things are scattered all over the system. Plus, to keep your mental sanity right, so you have to have a little bit of organization skill about managing your system, whatever the system, it's server, desktop, laptop, doesn't matter, but you have to have some sort of policy in it. So yesterday's video I explained that thing and show you a little glimpse of stuff I did. Again in this video I'm going to show you a little script which I wrote to accumulate some part of it so I can easily get it when I need it with a simple keystroke. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I have just babbled to you, let me take you to my terminal. I hope I'm zoomed in up so people can see. So I have a keybind about the wikis, about the pages, saying online, because I'm at this age I'm expecting most of the computer, if not all, they are all connected to online. So this script is basically search out in an online space, that means in the internet. Okay, so if the machine is not connected, I'll show you another video in some other time how we could do so in offline, but this is specifically for online searching for packages, wikis and all this stuff. So for that I wrote down few lines and bind with my window manager key so I can get it at once. So my keybind will be mod w, and you see there are various stops are there, right? You can see if I go ahead and just press enter, it directly take me, it's simply pointing, browser pointing to a specific website. I said it's an online searching and stuff. Okay, now if I kill it, now if I do it again, say for instance I want to search something online in Gentoo package repository, if I press enter, it will directly take me to a page where it can enlist all the Gentoo related package. You can query in this page to find out the package related stuff. Pretty darn simple, right? Now if I do it again, if I want to see something specific in the Gentoo wiki, to press this and look at the prompt. If I write emerge and press enter, it will enlist me the specific query I have searched in the Gentoo wiki, which is emerge. In this case I'm just giving you an example so you can easily, with a few keystroke, you can easily access this, okay, while your system is connected to the internet. Likewise, there are other related Slackware, Debian, although Debian wiki is a little picky. If you are connected with VPN, Debian wiki doesn't like that. There is a valid reason for that. So you need to turn off your VPN, then only you can access to Debian wiki, otherwise it will throw an error. And there is Arch, there is Vim related stuff there. This is my Emacs. If I go to Emacs wiki directly, I can go here. If I go to Vim wiki, this is the place I go here. Now if I go to the kernel documentation, see, I'm in the kernel documentation page. Okay, so I can see whatever I need to see. So all what I'm trying to say, it's easy and bit organized so that everything will be under your fingertip in a very quick time, so you don't have to waste time. So I make a key bind mod W. You could bind any other key you like about your window manager, read line, whatever the way you want to access, but access in a very organized manner, so you don't have to hover here and there to waste time. So if I do not select anything, it will just show you like that. So simple. See, here is an ugly code, but this is the code behind it. I created an array, bash array, so where I put up the elements in it. Now in the first part of the if-else elif loop, I queried the package and looking for the direct doc link, like you saw the Linux kernel documentation or the Emacs wiki or the Vim wiki, where I can go directly without querying anything. For packages, you need to, again, it will take you straight to the online distribution specific what I am using. You might be using some other distribution. There must be some online page which is dedicated to enlisting all the package of that particular distribution. I enlisted stuff what I use. You can take a cue out of it and implement in your way. So, and the next part is for the queries. The queries, as I shown to you, if I want to search something in the Gentoo wiki or Arch wiki or need to access in Debian wiki, I directly put the query in a dmenu prompt, what you saw, and it will take you directly to that particular tools page in the wiki itself. So this is very handy. At least it handy to me, because if I wanted to search something online, I do not have to hover here and there and waste my time. So I can directly go there without getting deviated with thousands of other options. So basically it narrowed down your search to what you are actually looking for, which helps a lot, believe me. So it will cut down the distraction and it will give you a chance to focus what exactly you are looking for. You could add many other things which probably very important or essential to your day-to-day life in this particular way. About the code, probably it could have been written much better way, but I haven't bothered to, because these are pretty trivial tasks and I'm doing not much of computing with this code. So I keep it as simple as possible and as readable as possible. If someone get it, they can easily figure out what is actually going on in the code, right? If it is requires some sort of computational process or some other thing, so I might have thinking the code could have been written in much more elegant way, but this is kind of trivial stuff, so I keep it as it is. Okay, so you could change the tool. I have used tmenu. You could use some other tool of your liking or you are accustomed to. So the basic point of is this, that again, like yesterday's video, the little bit of organizing your thought and organizing your act help you to go further without getting distracted or deviated from the actual purpose you are trying to solve. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.